Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike REACT Pegasus Trail 4 Gore-Tex. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love. In the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you, and let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike REACT Pegasus Trail 4 Gore-Tex. That's quite a... I'm not an MC, so I was just trying to catch my breath there. And we've got this in the spring green, black olive, flat colorway in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's US 8.5. Now, for those who have seen our review of the normal Nike REACT Pegasus Trail 4s, this is kind of an upgrade, if you so will. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you go watch that. It's a very good to watch, like the OG version, because this, in my opinion, is the better version. So again, we'll look at the box, because I'm a big fan of this Nike Trail box. So you've got the Nike logo there with the, well, it's Nike Trail, all this simplicity and illustrations all around to ensure that it is, you know, for you trail runners and hiking enthusiasts. And here they are. Very nice. I mean, I'm a big fan of Gore-Tex used on anything, because at this moment of time, I know, like, guys, there'll be people in the comments who will berate my lifestyle because I like Gore. I mean, I have done some trail running and I have hiked before. I'm not one who's doing it every day because unfortunately I live in London, where you can't really do that. But I am into that kind of aesthetic. I'm a sucker for Arc'teryx jackets, Salomon shoes, etc. I just think they look cool and it's very practical, and this is just an added bonus because I was a big fan of the first, well, not the first, because this is the 4th edition, but you know, essentially the Nike REACT Pegasus Trails I was a big fan of, and this is just, you know, the evolution. So I mean, it's not the next part because it's not 5, but because it's Gore-Tex, it is even better in my opinion. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole. Again, just like the normal version, you've got a lugged rubber outsole there, aggressive. You know, it's there to help you not slip, and you know, you can prevail over those rocky terrains whilst you're running. And just like it, I mean, it's quite exposed. It doesn't use a lot of rubber, so it doesn't add to the weight of the sneaker, because this is very lightweight, I must say. And yeah, you've got the Nike Trail logo also there. The midsole unit is that Nike REACT technology, very light again, very bouncy. You know what you're getting if you've had Nike REACT in the past. If you haven't, it ensures you that you have a great bounce back, and it's very, you know, it doesn't break any strides that you have when you run. Essentially, it's very comfortable as well. Nike use it in a lot of their products, whether it be running or basketball. It's great in my opinion. And the upper, so this upper is all textile materials. Again, this is kind of like the first rendition, but it doesn't have as many perforations, and you got that Gore-Tex sleeve. So with it being Gore-Tex, there's no water gonna seep into this. This is essentially waterproof, guaranteed to keep your feet dry. Well, that's what the tag says right there. The difference is that you got a slip unit here. So essentially it's like a sock liner, but I like this. It's easier to slip your feet in. And obviously with it being this Gore-Tex sleeve, this part kind of prevents any water seeping into your feet. So which is a great touch. And obviously this was kind of built for outdoors, it's built for the rain. And if you look at like the way that the rubber extends, just like the first Trail REACT Pegasus Trail 4s, the rubber extends to help decrease any kind of abrasion you may and you got like raised parts of key plastic there. Also, again, it's just there to resist any abrasion. All textile materials, you got the big Gore-Tex logo there, and the medial side with the Nike Trail logo, and on the lateral side you got a swoosh and Nike React right there. Also, and you got a little bit of Gore-Tex. Also, lacing system, you got flat laces, you got your pull tab on the tongue also. It's very nicely padded, I must say. Again, the ankle support, so essentially it is like a sock liner, and then you've got your ankle support just underneath that. Very nicely padded, there for that great protection for your ankles. At the heel, got a pull tab right there for you. And in the insole, you've got a foam insole also right there. You can see it. Very lightweight. You got all that Gore-Tex goodness. I'm a big fan of the color as well. It's like a mid green. It looks like a mid chop chip. If you were to ask me, very lightweight again, I must say. And if it's anything like the REACT Pegasus Trail 4s with the Gore-Tex, it's just it's an added bonus. So I'm really excited to try these on for you guys. So roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size UK fit. I'm a UK size 7.5, and these fit perfectly. My toes are where they need to be. These are very comfortable, very stylish on. I'm a big fan of these sneakers. Thanks guys for watching. Before we wrap things up, I would like to say that I think that these Gore-Tex pairs are better than the original, you know, the Nike Pegasus Trail 4 pairs that we've done the review on. Do check that review out if you ever get a second. But no, I much prefer this. Very comfortable, it's got Gore-Tex, it's not raining here, which is a shame because it rains here all the time in London. But yeah, dope shoe. Great to have for your hikes, I guess. And remember to subscribe to our channel. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on the Instagram. That's with the Z at the end, and on TikTok. Until next time, guys. Peace.